Hello students and friends. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this homeopathic Materia Medica lesson, I will discuss about homeopathic medicine Laurocerasus. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel for Learn Homeopathy Online Free and Homeopathy Materia Medica. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Laurocerasus, its uses and symptoms. Spasmodic tickling cough, especially in cardiac patients, is often magically influenced by this drug. Lack of reaction, especially in chest and heart affections. Drink rolls audibly through esophagus and intestines. General coldness, not ameliorated by warmth. Violent pain in stomach with loss of speech. Spasm of facial muscles and esophagus. Asphyxia neonatorum. Fever, coldness, chills and heat alternate. Thirst, with dry mouth in afternoon. Respiratory, cyanosis and dyspnea, worse, sitting up. Patient puts hands on heart. Cough, with valvular disease. Exercise causes pain around heart. Tickling, dry cough. Dyspnea, constriction of chest. Cough, with copious, jelly-like, or bloody expectoration. Small and feeble pulse. Threatening paralysis of lungs. Gasping for breath, clutches at heart. Heart, mitral regurgitation. Clutching at heart and palpitation. Cyanosis neonatorum. Sleep, spells of deep sleep, with snoring and stertorous breathing. Extremities, toe and fingernails become knotty. Skin blue. Sprained pains in hips, thighs and heels. Cold, clammy feet and legs. Clubbing of fingers. Veins of hands distended. The many strange constitutional symptoms indicate feeble circulation and weak heart. Great general coldness, that is not ameliorated by external warmth. It is like wrapping up a dead man. Yet if he approaches a warm stove, nausea comes on. If he is in a warm room, the sweat breaks out on the forehead and the forehead is cold. But if he moves about slowly in the open air, the sweat ceases and the forehead warms up. Want of animal heat. Want of reaction. Remedies act only as palliatives, act only as short-acting remedies in constitutional disease, or the symptoms partially subside but the patient does not react. The patient does not convalesce. It often cures the heart failure due to digitalis and old-school hands, or when convalescence is attended by weak heart. If there is cold skin and external heat is objectionable. It should be compared with camphor, A.M.C. and Sakal. A prolonged fainting spell, twitching of the limbs, gasping for breath. Complaints after deep sorrow or fright. Chorea after every excitement. Spells of profound sleep, with snoring or stertorous breathing. In the spells of suffocation he must lie down, sour, but the dry, hacking cough comes on as soon as he lies down. Weakness of body and mind. Fainting. Motionless. Apprehensiveness. Vertigo in the open air, he must lie down. Coldness of the forehead in a warm room, ameliorated in the open air. Stupefying pains in the head, with pulsation. Stitching pains in the head. Periodical paroxysms of aching pain under the frontal bone. Sensation as if brain fell forward on stooping. Tension in the brain. Headache is sometimes ameliorated by eating. The scalp itches. Dim vision. Veil before the eyes. Objects larger. The face is blue, sunken, bloated, and expressionless, jaundiced, yellow spot. Formication of the face. Lockjaw. Mouth and tongue dry. The tongue is dry, cold and numb, stiff and swollen. Spasmodic contraction of throat and esophagus. Drink rolls audibly down the esophagus and through the intestines. Emptiness in stomach after eating. Digitalis, as if he were still hungry. Violent thirst. Loathing of food. Nausea on coming near a warm stove. Vomiting of food with the cough. Eructations, tasting like bitter almonds. Violent pain in stomach, with cold skin. Coldness in stomach and abdomen. Contractions like cramps in stomach and cutting in abdomen. Pain in liver as though an abscess were forming. Stitching pain in liver on pressure. Rumbling in bowels. Diarrhea, with green mucus, and green watery stools, with tenesmus. Constipation, with difficult stool. It cures cholera infantum with green watery stools when drinks gurgle down the esophagus and there is general coldness, blueness, and fainting spells. The whole urinary apparatus is in a paralytic state. Suppression of urine or retention, or urine passed in a very feeble stream. Involuntary urination. Pain in stomach when passing urine. These urinary symptoms sometimes come with palpitation and suffocation, and fainting spells, or other cardiac symptoms, and Laurocerasus must be consulted. Menses too frequent, profuse, thin, with tearing and vertex at night. Uterine hemorrhage, with flow dark and clotted during climaxes. Fainting spells with coldness during menses. Pain in sacrum during menses. Heart patients that often suffer much from constriction of the larynx are helped by this remedy. Laryngismus stridulus. Difficult breathing. Suffocation, oppression of chest, gasping and heart complaints, ameliorated by lying down. Clutching at the heart and palpitation. It has cured mitral regurgitation many times. Short, hacking, dry, nervous cough. Cardiac cough. Whooping cough in puny children when there is a history of feeble heart, blue cold skin, and laryngeal spasm. Paralytic chest symptoms. Irregular action of the heart, slow pulse, fluttering heart. Sitting up causes gasping, lying ameliorates the oppression. Feeble pulse, cold blue surface, twitching of muscles of face and limbs. Slight exertion aggravates all the symptoms. Cyanosis neonatorum. Burning in chest on inspiration. The veins of the hands are distended. Cold clammy feet and legs. Painless paralysis of limbs. Stinging and tearing in limbs. Feet numb from lying with limbs crossed. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like Laurocerasus, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. To learn homeopathy course online free with Homeopathy Materia Medica. Comment us your feedback and what you want in the next video. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com and mashclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.